Okay. So today we'll start with covalent bond. We have already done for ionic bonding. So covalent bond, it is formed by sharing of electrons. Okay. So what are the conditions needed for a covalent bond formation? The substance, combining substance, mostly the covalent bond formation takes place between two non-metals. Okay. Because non-metals fulfill all the three conditions needed for covalent bond formation. First is the valence electron should be between 4 to 7. Non-metals are having that 4, 5, 6 and 7. Electronegativity should be same. Okay. We have read in the first chapter what is electronegativity, what is electron affinity. So I am not explaining it again. They should have almost same electronegativity which the non-metals are having, and they must have same electron affinity. Okay. So if they are having almost same electron affinity, or same, we say electronegativity and electron affinity, they form a type of covalent bond called non-polar covalent bond, which is normally formed between same atoms. And if the electronegativity and electron affinity is little different, little more or less, then they form polar covalent bond. Okay. The polar covalent bond is formed when one of the combining atom is very small, other one is big. Small having less electronegativity and less electron affinity. Okay. So first of all, we'll talk about non-polar covalent compound. These are there in our syllabus: hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, ammonia, CCl4 and CH4, that is carbon tetrachloride and ammonia, carbon tetrachloride and methane. Okay. So let's talk about hydrogen, how we have to draw. Normally it comes in exam, they will ask you only the structure, but let's see the formation. Hydrogen is having one electron in the outermost shell. Okay. So this one, and it wants two. Every element want to get the nearest noble gas configuration, either by transfer of electron, which takes place in electrovalent bonding, or sharing of electron. They share. Share means the shared pair belongs to both. Now this hydrogen is also having two, this hydrogen is also having two. This is something like we sharing the same thing, like two of you sitting in the same bench. So both of you are sharing that same bench. So the bench belongs to you as well as your friend. Same thing happens here. The shared pair of electron belongs to both. Hydrogen gets 2 electron. This hydrogen also gets 2 electron. So hydrogen develops a single covalent bond, H2. Okay. Now chlorine. Chlorine is having 7 in the outermost shell. We know atomic mass and atomic number till 20 and 40. So these things you should know. Chlorine is 2, 8, 7. Okay, 17. So chlorine will have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another chlorine also 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they need 8 in the outermost shell, octet, nearest noble gas configuration. So they will combine, and just make it like this. One bond, so plus, yes. They will combine and again single covalent bond, chlorine. Now nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic configuration is 2 and 5. So nitrogen need how much more? 3 more for completing the octet. So nitrogen 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. The rest 2 we can just make any side. Let's make it here. So here the bonding will be 3. So there will be a triple covalent bond between two nitrogen. Okay. Single covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Now coming to ammonia. Okay. Now I am leaving ammonia now. Ammonia and this H2O, these are polar covalent bonding. So we'll talk about non-polar first of all. So CaCl4, carbon tetrachloride. So carbon is having 4 in the outermost shell. Chlorine is having 1. Chlorine is having 7. That means carbon needs 4 more and chlorine needs 1 more. So carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here again chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. So that completes the 8 of carbon. 4 here and 4 here. Okay, 8. And for chlorine, 7 plus 1, 8. So chlorine gets its octet, carbon also gets its octet. So it will be C, Cl, 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 Cl. So this is 4 single covalent bond. C, Cl4. Same is with CH4 also.